Hey there, are you ready to take charge of your financial future in 2024? If you're eager to build wealth but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the best strategies to help you grow your money and secure your financial freedom. Stay tuned as I break down smart investing tips, strategies perfect for beginners, and actionable advice you can implement right away. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we jump in, let's set the stage. Starting early and staying consistent with your investments is crucial. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much money you have, it's about how effectively you can make that money work for you. So let's embark on this journey together. Step 1. Understanding the basics of wealth building. So, what is wealth? It's not just a fat bank account, it's about accumulating assets that generate passive income over time. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Let's clarify this. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like stocks or real estate. For example, owning a rental property means monthly rent checks that boost your income. On the flip side, liabilities drain your finances, like a car that depreciates or credit card debts that pile up. By focusing on building assets, you're paving your way to wealth. Why is passive income the holy grail of wealth building? It allows you to earn money without actively working for it. Think about it. Dividend stocks pay you simply for owning them, and rental properties bring in cash flow without daily involvement. The more passive income streams you have, the closer you get to financial freedom. Now, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. Picture this. If you invest $1,000 at a 5% interest rate, in just 20 years, that could grow to about $2,653. The earlier you start investing, the more you can take advantage of this powerful effect. So, the moral of the story? Start today. Step 2. Best investment strategies for beginners. The stock market is one of the most rewarding places for beginners to begin their wealth-building journey. Historically, it has provided impressive returns over time. A smart way to start is through index funds or ETFs. These are low-risk options that track specific market indexes like the S&P 500. This means you're investing in a diverse range of companies, reducing your risk. For instance, if the S&P 500 increases by 10%, your investment does too. It's like having a safety net while you watch your money grow. Now let's discuss dividend stocks. Companies that pay dividends are usually stable and financially sound. Imagine owning shares of Coca-Cola. Every quarter, you receive a payout just for being a shareholder. You can reinvest those dividends or use them as income. Either way, it's a win. Here's a quick tip. You can start investing with as little as $100 using fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood or eToro allow you to dip your toes in the market without needing a fortune. So, why wait? Let's shift gears to real estate. This is a fantastic investment option because it's a tangible asset that can provide consistent cash flow. Think about it. If you buy a duplex for $200,000 and rent each unit for $1,000, that's $2,000 a month. After accounting for expenses like mortgage and maintenance, you're still making a substantial profit every month. This is the beauty of real estate. It offers steady income and potential appreciation over time. If being a landlord sounds daunting, consider REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate without the headaches of property management. You buy shares of a company that owns income-producing real estate, and you get to enjoy dividends without lifting a finger. It's a hassle-free way to tap into the real estate market. Check out platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock to get started. They cater to beginners and simplify the real estate investment process, making it accessible for everyone. Now let's dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. This is a high-risk but potentially high-reward investment avenue. For beginners, focus on well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These have proven their resilience over time. Imagine if you had invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin a few years back. Your investment could have skyrocketed. But remember, with great rewards come risks. Don't overlook emerging technologies like NFTs and decentralized finance, DeFi. NFTs let you own unique digital items, while DeFi opens doors to traditional financial services without banks. The opportunities here are endless. But here's the catch. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across various assets to minimize risk. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. 1. Step 3. How to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is your best friend in investing. The idea is simple. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest across different asset classes. stocks, real estate, bonds, and crypto. This strategy minimizes risk and maximizes your potential for growth. For example, if the stock market dips, your real estate investments might still thrive, keeping your overall portfolio balanced. A great starting point could be a portfolio split of 60% in stocks, 30% in real estate, and 10% in cryptocurrencies. Adjust these percentages based on your risk tolerance and goals. The key is to stay flexible and informed. Step 4. Budgeting and saving to invest. Wealth building starts with saving. If you don't save, you won't have anything to invest. First things first, set up an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3-6 months worth of living expenses. This fund acts as your safety net, protecting you from unexpected financial challenges, like medical emergencies or job loss. One effective way to save is to automate it. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate savings account or investment account. This way, you pay yourself first and ensure you're consistently saving. Consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, to track your expenses and savings. Following the 50-30-20 rule can also simplify budgeting. Allocate 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. It's a straightforward way to keep your finances in check. Step 5. The power of patience and consistency. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Wealth is built over time, not overnight, so stay patient. One effective strategy is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. For instance, if you invest $100 every month in an index fund, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This approach reduces your overall cost per share. Also, consider reinvesting your dividends and profits. Instead of cashing out, use those earnings to buy more shares. This strategy compounds your investment, leading to faster growth. During market downturns, avoid panic selling. History shows that markets recover over time. Keep your eyes on the prize and stay the course. You're building your future. Bonus tip: maximizing tax benefits. Taxes can eat into your investment returns, so understanding how to minimize your tax burden is essential. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages that can help your money grow more efficiently. For instance, with a 401k, you can contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. Focus on long-term capital gains, which are usually taxed at a lower rate than short-term gains. This means holding on to your investments for over a year can save you money on taxes. To make the most of your investments, consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice on tax-efficient investing strategies that fit your financial goals. To wrap it all up, we've covered the essentials of wealth building, understanding assets, exploring effective investment strategies, the importance of diversification, budgeting tips, and maximizing tax benefits. Now, it's time for you to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start building your wealth. Begin with small investments and watch your money grow over time. Every little step counts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more finance tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below about which investment strategy excites you the most. Let's build wealth together.